Understanding antivirus software.
Antivirus software is designed to detect, block, and remove malicious programs on your devices. With cyber threats constantly evolving, having effective antivirus protection is essential. Before choosing a solution, it's important to understand the features and protection levels that different programs offer. Let's explore how to select the best antivirus software for your unique needs.
Assessing your devices and operating systems.
Consider which devices you need to protect. Windows PCs, Macs, smartphones, and tablets may face different risks. Some antivirus products are better suited for certain operating systems or device types. Check for compatibility with your devices and ensure the software provides adequate protection for all of them.
Identifying your security needs.
Think about your personal security requirements. Regular internet browsing, online banking, and shopping may need robust features like phishing protection and secure browsing. Parents may want parental controls, while professionals may need ransomware protection. Make a list of the features most relevant to your activities.
Comparing core features and performance.
Look for antivirus software that offers strong malware detection rates, real-time protection, automatic updates, and minimal impact on device performance. Reviews and independent lab test results can reveal how effectively a program blocks threats and whether it slows down your computer or mobile device.
Considering ease of use and support.
User-friendly interfaces are important, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Good antivirus products offer simple installation and easy-to-navigate dashboards. Also, check for customer service options like live chat or 24/7 support. Reliable help can be crucial if you encounter problems or have questions.
Reviewing costs and subscription options.
Compare subscription plans, free trials, and included extras such as VPNs or password managers. Sometimes, paying a bit more offers extra features that enhance your security. Calculate annual costs and confirm if the software covers all your devices under one subscription.
Making your final decision.
When choosing antivirus software, combine all your criteria: device compatibility, required features, performance, usability, support, and cost. Prioritize your most important needs and read recent user reviews for insights. By following these steps, you'll find the best antivirus software tailored for your devices and personal security.